3, 2, 1, Beavers.
Can you paint yourself in this beautiful, historic Travis Heights home in Bluebonnet Hills? Well, stick around till the end of the video. Nick and I have a surprise to show you in just a moment, but let's take a look inside.
This house is fully original. It has been upgraded to current code standards. However, it was built in 1932, and as you can see, has been very well maintained, and especially also the floor is neat because it's all actual solid wood on the floor. To your left over here, you have 1 bedroom out of 2 bedrooms, and they all have the same wood floor, solid, nothing composite. And this bathroom, 1 bathroom, is shared between the 2 rooms. So it does have access to the kitchen. And in the kitchen, you'll see that it is very original. There have been some updates. There are a lot of things you could do. However, you can also see that some of these appliances, although functioning as intended, are not exactly up to date. Everything works in this house. There is a cool little screened-in porch over here, and that's a good addition to it as well. And there are a lot of quirky little features about this house. This house is like 2 houses down from Stacy Park, and it's like a hop, skip, and a jump. And what I mean by that is like it's only a few blocks to South Congress with all the cool stuff that South Congress has. And it also has a really nice yard. But the main thing is that it's also in a historic district, and the historic district maintains the value of this home. And I have to say, y'all, if you can guess the value of this home, I will give you a Starbucks gift card or buy you a beer, whichever one works best for you. And just give me a call, or Diane a call. She may be better with her phone. But it's really neat what's out here. You never believed that you'd see this before. So Diane's going to show us what the secret is of the property. And it's really one of the coolest things that really gives a lot of value to this house. And you'll see why the value is there, and especially on the size of this land.
That's right. So this is the addition. These are 2 attached additions by the washer, utility room, and bathroom. And here we are in the second part, which is currently being used as an amazing artist studio. It has been for years. It does have plumbing, as well as its own separate AC items. So this is an amazing land. It has so much to offer, and as Nick said, we are on historic Mary Street, so there is lots of charm in this home. You have skylights at the top, vaulted ceilings. The possibility for this space back here are absolutely endless. So can you sculpt yourself in this beautiful backyard, this native oasis that's here? Welcome. Nick and I are your real estate advisors. If you have any interest in this property or any other, please give us a call.